Today we're going to learn about adding and subtracting complex numbers. Let's say we have to solve 3 plus 4i plus 2 plus 3i equals what? And 7 plus 3i minus 6 minus 2i equals what? So before we get started on solving these two equations, let's first do a recap on the last video. So in the last video we learned what a complex number is. For example, we have a complex number of 5 plus 7i. Here, this term is called the real term, and this term is called the imaginary term. So, now let's solve example or question 1. So, 3 plus 4i plus 2 plus 3i. So, when we add and subtract complex numbers, we have to add and subtract the like terms. So that means that we add and subtract 3 and 2, which are both real terms, and we add and subtract 4i and 3i, which are both imaginary terms. So we are adding and subtracting like terms. So this is equal to 3 plus 2 is 5. 4i plus 3i is 7i. So we get 5 plus 7i. So the answer to question 1 is 5 plus 7i. So now let's solve question 2. This is question 1, which was adding complex numbers. Now let's solve question 2, which is subtracting complex numbers. So we have 7 plus 3i minus 6i, minus 6 minus 2i. So we subtract the like terms, so 7 and 6 and 3i and negative 2i. So we get, let's make these lower, higher. So we get 7 minus 6 is 1, and 3i minus negative 2i is plus 5i. Because negative negative equals positive. So the answer to question 2 is 1 plus 5i. One plus 5i. Today we learned about adding and subtracting complex numbers. Thank you for watching this video.